90% of new YouTubers fail because they don't do this. But if you do this, trust me, your views is going to skyrocket. See, I'm a big preacher of copy those big YouTubers that is within your niche. Yes, I said it. Now when I say copy, I don't mean go and copy their content or anything. No. Copy their keywords, copy their hashtags, copy their tags, apply this same thing in your own channel so that whatever is giving them views, provided you have a very good content too, because number one, you have to have a good content. So that whatever is giving those your big competitors views, that same thing should also give you views. Yes. See, there's no niche you want to venture into this YouTube that nobody has done before. There's nothing you want to talk about in this YouTube that you will say that nobody has done before, that is new to anybody. What you should now be doing, what you should now be thinking or talking about is how to stand out within that your niche, how to be like those your competitors, so that whenever you post video, your videos can do well just the way your competitors' videos are doing well. In my previous video, I taught you how to use TunePocket to take the right keywords from your big competitors and apply them in your channel. Now in this video, I am going to teach you how to use tags, how to use TunePocket to take tags from your competitors' channel, from your competitors' videos, and apply them in your own videos so that your videos are going to do well the way your competitors' videos are doing well. Sorry, I'm using videos competitors, but this is what this video is all about. Now let's get into our YouTube channel and let's get into TunePocket. Let me show you how you're going to do this and how you're going to apply them to your own channel. Let's go. So now this is our YouTube channel. We are going to come here now and type how to make chin chin. Now you click on this how to make chin chin that's already been typed on my phone. You click on it. Look for one of the best performing videos out there. This one is 1.8 million views. This one is 3.382k views. So let's go for the one with 1.8 million views. You click on these three dots here. Now you click on share. Then you click on copy link. You are copying the link of this video. You've copied the link. Now we are going to TunePocket. You remember TunePocket, right? I taught it in my last video. So now you click on here and type www.tunepocket.c. Whenever I just type www.tunepocket, just comes out. This shows you how much I use TunePocket. I think every YouTuber should make use of TunePocket. TunePocket is that good, honestly. So now I click here. Then I'll click on these three lines and look for YouTube video tags extractor. This is it. I'll click on it. Now certify that you're not a robot. Click here. Then come here and paste in the link of that video and click see tags. You see these are the tags this channel uses in that video. Now if I were you, now just copy this to clipboard, copy it, and now go to your YouTube channel. Let us go to our YouTube channel so you understand what I'm talking about. So I've already uploaded a random video just for the sake of this tutorial. So now we're going to come to here where we normally add our tags. Now remember that those tags which we copied from TunePocket, we're going to paste it in here. Paste. Voila, this is it. So if this is how you can extract tags from all those big channels, look for a channel that is doing well within your niche and look for one of their videos. Maybe you want to do a video that is like that is like one of their good performing videos. Look for their videos, extract their tags and put it in your own YouTube channel, in your own YouTube video, and voila, that is how you're gonna get views. Whatever they're doing that is making them get that views should also make you get your own views. So this is just it. Thank you for watching my videos up to this time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my other videos. Bye.